Okay, let's go again. Lusar 1899 IM. Oh blimey, a lot of IMs lurking under 2000 here. This is passive for me already. Oh dear. What have I done? What have I done? Hang on, bishop h3, there might be a knight f4. Okay, so if I can get to play f3 to stop anything nasty there. Let's play queen d2 and g4 at some point. c4, is that worth playing? Uh-oh, e3 is a bit weak. Uh-oh. Dear oh dear. No. e3, ouch. Ouch. Right, so I don't know, knight f4. Trying to hold on. Rook e1, rook e2. Oh, sack the exchange. Get rid of that pesky knight. If I sack the exchange, what about knight h5 here? What's this? What is this? Maybe an exchange sack, then queen c3. With queen c3 is on the cards. Okay, it's forcing horrible move g4. Position's getting quite disgusting. And this is takes. Then there's queen g5 attacking. And no, I don't know. Only move knight g4. I'm getting really done over. Oh, it's knight g2. Like winning straight away. Okay, queen a5 here. Only move. Taking c5 and a7 though, forking two pawns. Actually, the knight was pinned to e8. So hold on a sec. Is this really that bad? It looks absolutely terrible. But is it really that bad? Pawn f3 is protected. Plays g4. This knight's actually pinned, so that's good news. The queen's also good news. And he's using a lot of time here. Okay. g4. Okay. If I just take, there isn't knight g4. There's queen g4. Still that pin, but I've got to take. Surely, let's keep the battery on e8. I'll take it on c5 maybe. If I take it on c5, that's more important than taking on a7. I'm going to take on a7 after. Knight g2, rook e8 takes. I was going for the king side attack. Something. Well, the queen's now tied down. What about g5 here? Just attacking the rook. Is there anything clever? There's rook f5. What about h3? There's queen g3. I can't let the queen in. g5, rook f5. Oh dear. I don't know. Ouch. Okay, move. Think of a move. Queen a7, h3. Ah, dear oh dear. I'll just attack this rook on e8 for a sec. So g5. There's rook f5. Now this is looking. I'm protecting g2 at least. Is there like queen b8? It's queen b8 here, and then queen takes e5. Queen sack. There's rook f2. I'm protecting H2 anyway. Bishop D5. Okay, so can I get coordination? 18 seconds. Rook G1 and I'm going to protect this guy for a sec. Going for my poor bishop. Ouch. Let's get the king in then. 11 seconds. Why have I allowed that? Oh dear. I'm not going to get mated on H1, am I? Uh-oh. What about Rook G3 check? Is that useful? And take on D3. Yeah. 1960. Okay. Blimey, that was terrible. Russian IMs, group of Russian IMs. What's his Blitz is 224. His 5 minute is 2532. He's 2532 on the 5 minute auto pairing. Blimey. His bullet's only 2002, but on the 5 minute auto pairing, this is one of the top guys. 2532 on the 1 minute auto pairing 2127. So on the 3 minute, he's only 1885. He's been up to 2146. Okay, comments or questions on YouTube? Thanks very much.